Hello everyone, welcome to Doll Studio YouTube channel. My name is Sasha and today we are unboxing Core Refresh Lagoona Blue. Here she is, I ordered her from the Mattel Australia website. She is from the Monster High Core Refresh collection. I love the artwork Monster High always does on the boxes and I keep them for my very chaotic junk journal. This Lagoona comes with Neptuna in a cute new pose, orange sunglasses, a diary and a bunch of snacks as always. There is more artwork on the back. I absolutely adore her boots. The other Core Refresh monsters are also pictured. I have Cleo and Claudine. I'm thinking of getting Frankie and Dracula as well, as I love their new outfits. Lagoona's monster type is beautifully bubbly sea monster. Her monster must-haves are sparkling salt water and fish ice cream, and her monster pet is Neptuna. There are a bunch of illustrated symbols on the back and side of the box. Do you have any of the Core Refresh dolls? I have the first Core edition of G3 Lagoona and I will compare the two at the end of this video. I don't have a Core Ghoulia doll, but I do have Neon Fright's Ghoulia and I'm waiting to see whether Mattel will bring out a Core Refresh Ghoulia or if I should buy the original, since the Core Refresh dolls have really cool outfits. Here's lovely Neptuna. This bag is so cute, it's a happy jellyfish and it's also functional. Here we have an orange fish pop, gummy bites in a packet, bubble booze soft drink, her favourite fish ice cream and her orange shades. Here is her mini diary, it does not open. Do you prefer the G1 character or the G3 character? And the G1 doll or the G3 doll? Character-wise, I did enjoy Lagoona being Australian in G1, although her voice actor was not actually Australian. In the G3 show, I love her personality and character development. I love both doll designs and appreciate the quality and sturdiness of G3. Also, there are no sticky hair situations like in G1. Here she is free from her plastic contraption and her face is gorgeous. Her hair has gel in the front, but I will be washing that out. This is a really cute hairstyle on her. She has translucent fish skeleton earrings. She has an orange seahorse necklace, a fish skeleton print on her top and a blend of fabrics in her outfit that work really nicely together. Her boots are translucent with pink soles and they feature skeleton on the bottom. Her hair is quite long and soft with pastel blue and purple streaks. Comparing OG Core and Core Refresh dolls, I noticed that the facial expression in OG is slightly softer and her brows are a bit thicker. Her lips are pink where Core Refresh lips are orange. We have a continuation of skeleton sea animals printed on pink fabric in the outfit and the use of mesh fabrics. The OG hair is a lighter blonde where the G3 is slightly more yellow. I like this difference between the dolls, how about you? Which is your fave overall? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment below what you would like to see more of, and subscribe for more doll content. Thank you for watching, have a good day, stay well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!